Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the right guitar for you. People often ask me what sort of guitar should I buy, and it depends what kind of music you'd like to learn. So if you like to learn contemporary music like folk, country, blues, jazz, rock, pop, whatever it is, then you should start with an acoustic guitar. So this particular one is called acoustic-electric. So it's an acoustic guitar with steel string, not nylon string, with the steel strings. So this has a pickup as well, so you can actually plug it into sound system if you want to. And it has an equalizer and volume controller. And some guitars these days have onboard tuner as well, which is very handy. So some guitar teachers recommend you to buy a classical guitar, which is an acoustic guitar but with the nylon strings. It's great if you want to learn classical music or flamenco or Spanish guitar. But if you want to learn some popular music, I would recommend this one, the acoustic guitar with the steel strings. The good thing about this is you can play almost every type of music, and they also have very small neck. However, if you buy guitar in shops, you will find that most of them have really heavy gauge. Normally they put 12 gauge, which is too heavy for beginners. Even I use 11. So what I would recommend would be buy an acoustic electric guitar like this, just in case you want to plug it in one day, and put the lighter gauge. If you're an absolute beginner and you want to buy a guitar in the shop, then before you bring it home, make sure that you ask to change the strings to a lighter gauge, so it's not too painful for you to practice. So gauge 11 or 10 if you're absolute beginner. As your hands get stronger, then you can play with a heavier gauge. So this particular model is called cutaway model. So this has a cutaway body here. So this is a very comfortable guitar to play. So it's important when you play guitar every day, you want to have a guitar comfortable to play or not too big. However, if the guitar have bigger bodies, normally have thicker sound as well. So you sacrifice a little bit of the sound, but it's very comfortable to play. Also for performance is fantastic. This is another type of guitar that have a little bit bigger body. So this sound thicker, but less comfortable to play because it has much bigger body. So the most important thing is the guitar is comfortable to play and sound good. And also choose the guitar that totally in tune. Before you buy, you make sure that you tune the guitar and you play it for a while and try to bend the string or something. And try to play around with it and see if it stays in tune. And just strum chord like this and listen to the sound. So make sure it sounds good. So this is an electric guitar. If you want to learn guitar seriously and you want to play in a band and everything like that, then you will need an electric guitar. The great thing about electric guitar is you can play quietly if you don't plug it in. And then if you want to be a bit louder or you want to play on the stage, you can plug it in and you make louder sound. And the good thing also about this guitar is you can play almost every type of music. So if you want to learn guitar seriously and you want to play in a band, jamming with others, then this guitar would be a great choice for you. I'm gonna move on to the next one. And this is an electric bass. So if you want to be a bass player to play in a band, then this would be your instrument. I love bass as much as I love guitar too. So if you're an absolute beginner just starting to learn how to play the guitar, The acoustic guitar is really the best choice because you can bring it anywhere. You don't have to plug it into any amplifier or anything like that, and you can play it. You can bring it to a trip, to the backyard, to the beach, and you don't have to plug it in the sound system, and you can play. With the electric guitar you can do so many things with it. You can create so many different sounds, but you have to plug it into the sound system if you want to hear the maximum capacity of the guitar. So this is a really great guitar to start, but later if you get more serious about learning the guitar, then you would want to have an electric guitar as well. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below, and I will give you an answer as quick as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell next to the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.